Welcome to J&J's test video of 9693. This is a 2004 GTO LS1 T56. Has 126,000 miles on it. It's just kind of meh, spray painted, the bumper's falling off. I mean, it's still okay, somebody can use it. The hood's all dented up and rattle canned. This is what 17-year-old me's GTO would have looked like. 04 rear bumper with a single exhaust. It runs good. Alright, I'll show you the inside, check the transmission. Everything seems okay. I don't know where I got this one. I might have just got it off the street. What do here? Even has the cover. Radiator. Full cover. Not everybody can close a hood with their head. Alright, let's drive it around, see what works and what doesn't. Got an aftermarket radio in it. The seat moves back and forward. And all GTOs right now have all the busted leather unless something's been changed. 128,725. Yeah, this seat doesn't move too bad. I think the windows work. Yep. I don't know if that battery is going to be good or not, so let's get this show on the road. It died the last time I tried to drive it. I took the battery out. Oh, today it's working. Maybe I charged that up enough. Transmission shifts. It's got this little race car steering wheel. Put her in the corner. Go back into third. Yeah, seems okay. What I can check here. There's reverse without much drama. Where's that little Miata? Oh shit. I don't want to hit it. Almost. I'm going to pull forward some. My luck, it'll die at some weird angle and I'll get in trouble. There we go. Alright. Runs pretty good. Alright, and for that is your test video for this 04 GTO 9693 slow 4. As always, thank you for watching and have your pets spayed and neutered.